Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 14R, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then enter keypad, and let's start with the shortest code. It's *##06#. And by providing this code, you can check device information, so whenever you need to see your email or serial number, it's the quickest way to get it. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use on this phone is *##, *##, 225, #**. And here we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with this device would be displayed right here. Let me go back. And then another code that you can use here is *##, 426, ***. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which we've got events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, if you want to get a bit more knowledge, select more icon, click on advanced view, and here you've got it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.